just ran from Terminal F to Terminal A to get our second flight. We board in 2 minutes. Mission accomplished. Rental car secured. Psst. Sup? Where are we?
We are currently in
Our favorite place,
Florida.
Woohoo!
We are on our way to our besties, our fam. We're gonna make a band together one day, but right now we're gonna go see them.
Austin and Riley, we're coming for ya. Let's go. Yay, we made it!
Alright, where are we headed?
We are at one of our favorite restaurants here in St. Pete called The Getaway. Super cool, super relaxed, super cute.
Happy?
The only downfall about Florida is these paper straws.
Already trying to get some sun, aren't you?
As much as I can.
Right. I'm over here trying to hide.
Give me all the sun. Couldn't wait, sorry.
What'd you get?
Shrimp tacos.
And I got the mahi sandwich. Yummy.
Can we get one? Testing it out right now. I love it. A cat!
Where?
Baby!
Oh, hello, little guy. Hello. Oh my god, hi, you are so cute. Oh my god. How stinking cute is that little thing?
I want it.
We can't bring it back to
I'll bring it back. It wants to. You said you wanted a kitten today.
Yeah, but we can't put the little thing on the plane.
Why not?
Chloe.
Building trust. Our Airbnb has a hot tub, so we're going in. Welcome to day 2 of our trip. We are on our way to go get some coffee and head to the beach.
Ready for your coffee?
How's your coffee?
It's really good, even the pasta straw.
What'd you get?
I got the chocolate banana and it's actually very, very good. Ice.
I got a large vanilla bean.
We're about to head to Treasure Island.
Just to like go to the beach.
beer can, but it's water. So what are we up to?
We are back at the Airbnb. This morning we just wanted to go like to the beach for a little bit, get our toes in the sand, hit our favorite surf shop rondons. And it's about lunchtime here, just back at the Airbnb, hanging out. Gonna get some pizza here soon before we head over to our friend Austin and Riley's for the evening.
Yep, we're gonna meet up with them, have some dinner, and we're headed to a what?
A comedy show!
Our first comedy show, so this is gonna be cool.
I don't think we'll be able to film in there. Super cute tent. Welcome back. We are in downtown St. Petersburg. This is such a cute town. It has a lot of local shops, restaurants. So if you're trying to stay away from chains, which we do, lots of culture here. Love the Floridian vibe. Definitely come check it out. Let's go get some pizza. I'm hungry.
We're about to hit up this spot called Top Slice. I am so excited because I love pizza.
Me too.
And so does Chloe. So let's go get some yummy pizza.
So we picked this place because you can get like specialty one slices, because we didn't like obviously want a whole piece of pizza or a whole pie of pizza for us. So you can get specialty slices.
Even though I could eat a whole pie by myself. Alright, so after walking around like a whole block to find this place, we're finally here. Ooh, look at that cheese melt. Oh, that looks good.
No pizza left behind.
No.
We got 2 meat lover slices. Stock up on that protein, you know.
Yeah, beautiful.
Hot. Hot, right?
Yeah, but it's good. So like, this place is so good, and I'm not kidding.
They're selling chocolates.
We are on our way over to our friend Austin and Riley's house to have dinner. Well, we're not eating there. We're going out to dinner and we're going to a comedy show with them. So yeah, let's go see our besties. And we're back at the Silvers. Let's go see our BFFs.
And get some tacos.
What are we doing?
Having dinner with this beautiful gem.
My BFF, Riley. Let's go.
Good morning. We're here at the Chelsea in St. Pete for some coffee. Love
Super
it.
cute.
I got a mocha.
I got a vanilla latte. Classic.
Nothing new.
Welcome back. We are here at the boat dock waiting for the crew to show up. Not sure who's coming on today's excursion, but we are headed out on the boat for some sunshine. It is beautiful out. It is 73 degrees.
Yes, you see that sun?
Get some sun on this pale body.
I am pale.
Bro, you are tanner than me.
As this is pale for some Puerto Ricans. Anywho, we're excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Hey guys, we are back. We are sunburnt. Look at this nice tan line. Love to see it.
My chest hurts a little bit.
What are we about to go do?
Get some comida, some food.
Some food.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, so we're gonna head downtown, get something to eat. Yeah, let's check it out, see what's poppin'.
Show the fit, show the fit. Wow. You look gorgeous. Show your fit. Voila.
Do a spindle.
Cute.
So we are here at the St. Petersburg Pier. This is the first time we've been down here. There's lots of people going down here. There's some pop-up tents over there. We're gonna go down this way and get some food.
We're at
Something forward? I don't know.
I just want to say that my wife is beautiful. Look at this piece of art. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Lucky me, right? Alright, did you figure out where we're going?
Yes, so we have arrived. Dock Fords. Let's go in and get some food. We just finished eating. I totally forgot to like film our food. We are so hungry.
Yep. And it's all gone now, so sorry guys. But I had a fish sandwich again, and Chloe had a Cuban.
I had a Cuban.
And it was good.
It was good, but honestly,
The server was ass.
the server was, not gonna lie, the server was pretty ass. It's hard to go out to eat and not have high expectations when you know you're a server yourself. But it's fine. Don't mind my burnt legs. Nice bronze baby.
It's a luxury. You're testing the waters there, bud.
Ready?
No, don't you dare. So they have like a little trolley thing that takes the guests around here, and all I could think about when they were beeping the horn was watch the tram car. Alright guys, so this is our final day and we are about to head back home to good old Pennsylvania. Unfortunately, we have to go. Sad. Yep, very sad. Reporting from you live here in South Florida.
I've been wanting to watch the sunrise for like every time we go on a trip, and it never happens. So we're up super early. We have time before our flight. So we are here at the St. Petersburg Pier waiting for the sunrise. Look at this. Look at these clouds. Last coffee stop of Florida. Sad.
Cheers, buddy.
What'd you get?
Café con leche. And it actually tastes like my grandma's.
That's so cute.
So that's cool, right?
Typical vanilla latte here.
Nothing new. On a serious note, stop going to Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. Go get some coffee locally.
Go.
It's better. Way better. Trust me.
And you support locals.
And you're supporting local businesses. Just do it. Way better. The quality of this coffee is just chef's kiss.
And also, who likes Starbucks anymore, honestly?
Not me. Alright guys, so we just grabbed a nice little hefty breakfast from Einstein Bros and Bagels. Pretty good actually, right? What did you say?
Yeah, I'm not really into bagels, but this one's pretty good.
Yep, we got the Texan brisket,
Something like that.
whatever.
Something fulfilling for these flights today.
Yep. Anywho, We are on our way to the airport after we're done with these sandwiches. And it's been a great trip, I would say, right?
It's always a great time in Florida.
10/10, recommend. Get some sun.
Yeah, I'm burnt like a lobster.
I'm a little pink, but yeah, unfortunately we gotta go back home to the cold. See you on the next one, guys.